This one is for you. Oh, gado. Oh, look at that. Oh, there all gado na. Did you see? Oh, ang dami. This is gonna be a lot of harvest. Imagine we have tatlong puno ng peaches, and this is how abundant it bears fruit. So, nagado. Ala, nag-angin. Oh, look at that, tagdak to. And all the way up there, nagbunga na. Oh, dami-daming bunga ng aking peaches. Malapit na itong mahinog. Mid-August siguro pwede na itong kainin. Actually, pwede na itong kainin, oh. Yung crunchy ba? Oh, ayan, oh. Ang dami. All the way up there. Oh, this one here is just by the street. Pwedeng kunin lang ng mga bypassers. Ayan. Dami-daming bunga. Ayan. Ay, ang hangin. Very windy today. Ala, tatangin ako ng hangin. Tatignan nyo itong mga ano namin. Mga tanim namin. Uy, nakaligtas yung isang ano, what do you call that? Upo. At syempre,